Most serving platters crack under heat, chip at the edges, or simply look cheap on the table. Today I am ranking the top 5 best ceramic serving platters right now, so you get one that actually lasts and looks great doing it. The number 1 pick on this list is a 3-piece porcelain set that handles everything from holiday dinners to everyday use, and the price will surprise you. If you are new here, hit subscribe. We post honest kitchen reviews every week. Here is what we are covering today. Number 5, a versatile 3-size ceramic rectangle set. Number 4, a clean white 4-piece rectangular set. Number 3, a classic oval white platter built for large meals. Number 2, an oven-safe oval set with serious durability. Number 1, the overall winner that delivers the best complete package. Let's get started with number 5. The lifver extra large serving platters, available in 16, 14, and 12-inch ceramic rectangle sizes. These platters are made from high-quality porcelain with a smooth glazed surface that resists staining and is easy to wipe clean. The 3 sizes, 16, 14, and 12 inches, nest together for efficient storage and cover every serving need from appetizers to main courses. The glaze finish is microwave and dishwasher safe, and the platters are oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The rectangular shape works well for everything from charcuterie boards to roasted vegetables. First advantage, the 3-size set gives you full flexibility without buying multiple separate pieces. Second advantage, the glazed surface holds up well to daily use without showing wear quickly. One drawback, the rectangular edges can chip if knocked against hard surfaces, so careful handling is recommended. Best for buyers who want a complete multi-size set in one purchase. But if a uniform 4-piece matching set matters more to you, the next option is worth a close look. Number 4, the 12-inch serving platters set of 4 white rectangular plates in ceramic. This set gives you 4 identical 12-inch white rectangular ceramic platters, a consistent, clean look that works across casual meals and formal entertaining equally well. The white porcelain construction is chip-resistant and the glaze finish is non-porous, meaning it does not absorb food odors or stains over time. All 4 platters are dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and oven safe, making them practical for everyday rotation rather than occasional use only. The uniform sizing makes stacking and storing straightforward. First advantage, for matching pieces create a cohesive table presentation that mismatched sets cannot replicate. Second advantage, the 12-inch size hits the practical sweet spot for most serving situations without being too large to handle comfortably. One drawback, all 4 platters are the same size, so if you need variety for different dish portions, this set has limitations. Best for buyers who entertain regularly and want a matching set that handles the full dishwasher and microwave cycle without issues. The next option moves into a completely different shape, and for certain meals it makes a significant difference. Number 3, the everyday white porcelain oval serving platter. 16-inch large turkey platter. The oval shape on this platter is not just aesthetic, it is practical. For roasted meats, whole fish, turkey, or any centerpiece dish, the oval form follows the natural shape of the food far better than a rectangle. This 16-inch porcelain platter is built from durable white porcelain with a smooth glaze that cleans easily and resists chipping under normal use. At 16 inches it provides substantial serving space for large cuts of meat or generous portions. It is dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and oven safe. The classic white finish works with virtually any table setting, formal or casual. First advantage, the oval shape is the most practical form for serving whole proteins and large centerpiece dishes. Second advantage, at 16 inches this is one of the largest single platters on this list, giving you maximum serving surface. One drawback, it is a single platter rather than a set, so if you need multiple pieces for a full spread you will need additional purchases. Best for buyers who want one large, reliable oval platter for holiday meals and special occasions. If oven-to-table versatility across multiple sizes matters to you, the next pick raises that standard considerably. Number 2, the Dowan large serving platter set, available in 16, 14, and 12-inch oval sizes, oven-safe porcelain. Dowan delivers a premium 3-size oval set that combines genuine oven-safe performance with elegant presentation. The porcelain construction is fired at high temperature for exceptional density and chip resistance, noticeably more durable than standard ceramic platters at this price point. First advantage, oven safe to 500 degrees means you can cook, bake, and serve in the same platter without transferring food. Second advantage, the high-fire porcelain construction is meaningfully more chip resistant than lower temperature ceramic alternatives. One drawback, the 3 oval sizes require more cabinet space than a single platter. Best for buyers who want a durable oven-to-table set that handles both cooking and serving. Our top pick is not the most expensive option here, but one specific feature made it rank above everything else on this list. Number 1, the Delling large serving platter set of 3, in 16, 14, and 12-inch porcelain rectangle sizes. Here is exactly why this earns the top spot. Build quality. The Delling platters use high-fired porcelain with a reinforced rim edge that directly addresses the most common failure point of ceramic platters, which is edge chipping. The reinforced construction means these platters hold up to regular use and repeated dishwasher cycles without the rim degrading over time. Dimensions: 3 sizes at 16, 14, and 12 inches give you complete serving coverage for any meal size. Material: high-fired porcelain with a smooth non-porous glaze that does not absorb stains, odors, or bacteria even after extended daily use. Oven safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, microwave safe, and dishwasher safe. The classic white rectangular finish is versatile enough to match any kitchen or table style. First advantage: the reinforced rim construction directly solves the chipping problem that affects most ceramic platters at this price point. Second advantage: the complete 3-size set in a consistent rectangular design gives you a polished, matched table presentation for any occasion. One drawback: the rectangular shape, while versatile, is less ideal for serving whole proteins compared to an oval platter. Best for buyers who want the most durable, complete, and practical ceramic serving platter set available at a competitive price. This is the one to buy. Links to all 5 platters are in the description below. If this helped you choose, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for weekly honest kitchen and home product reviews. See you in the next one.